In example 5, we can see how to use a z-estimate of proportion inside of GeoGebra to find a 90% confidence interval for a sample of size 500 with 125 successes. So we can see down here that there's the lower limit, the upper limit, and then shown in interval form as well. Our next example requires us to use the fact that 68% of the random sample had kids. So let's pull up a calculator and look at the arithmetic. So if we take 159 and we multiply it by that percentage, 0.68, we get 108.12. Remember that x, that is the number of successes, has to be an integer, and we round to the closest integer. So in this case, it looks like the closest integer is 118. So we're going to use 118 as our number of successes. So let's pull up GeoGebra and take a look at how to do this. So here's a z-estimate over proportion. Notice that we have all the other tests still in there if we wanted to access them. Let's see what the confidence interval was. 95%. So let's enter 95%. The number of successes was 108. So let's enter that. Just reminding ourselves that it was 108 when we rounded. Okay. And that the number of the total sample size was 158. So let's put that in. And we get our interval, and we get our interval as upper and lower limits, and also an interval form.